Hello, welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki, and thank you as always for being here and wanting to watch the video. We are discussing the 10 items that FEMA wants you to have on hand for any disaster emergency or SHTF situation. Thought this was kind of an interesting video to do, what the government recommends you have on hand. So let's find out what they say we need.
FEMA, or the Federal Emergency Management Agency, offers a list of essential items to stockpile for emergencies. We are going to look at the top 10 items recommended by FEMA. This will provide a foundation for preparedness in any disaster situation. Please keep in mind these are FEMA's top 10 recommended stockpile items. You can find this on their website. FEMA emphasizes the importance of having an adequate supply of water for each person in your household. FEMA says to aim for at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for a minimum of 3 days. Having dealt with major hurricanes and super typhoons, as well as standing in line for water every day for weeks, I recommend having enough water for 14 days. And fill up bathtubs and extra empty containers if you have any advance warning at all. FEMA recommends that you stock up on non-perishable food items that require little to no preparation. Canned goods, dry fruits, nuts, and energy bars are excellent choices to sustain you during emergencies. Be sure you stockpile foods that you actually like to eat. FEMA says that a well-equipped first aid kit is a fundamental component of any emergency stockpile. Include, among other things, bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and essential medical supplies. FEMA says to be sure you have flashlights with extra batteries. Obviously, adequate lighting is crucial during power outages or emergencies, giving you both safety and comfort. You might want to consider getting several different types of lighting and both solar and battery-powered options. FEMA says you need a multi-tool or Swiss Army knife. Be sure that it has a can opener on it. These are very versatile. They can be invaluable in various situations. From opening canned goods to basic repairs, having a multi-tool enhances your preparedness toolkit. You'll also want personal hygiene items. FEMA says you need to maintain your personal hygiene with items like toothbrushes, toothpaste, soap, and sanitary supplies. Cleanliness helps with both physical and mental well-being during challenging times. You will also want to keep a supply of essential medications for each family member. Check the expiration dates on those extra medications and replenish them as needed to be sure you have availability of critical medications. You'll want to safeguard your important documents like identification, insurance policies, medical records, and your emergency contact information. You'll want to keep them in a waterproof and portable holder. While electronic transactions are the norm these days, having a reserve of cash is a wise option. Cash becomes invaluable in short-term disaster situations where electronic payment methods are inaccessible. Clothing and blankets. FEMA says to be sure and include extra clothing, sturdy shoes, and blankets in your emergency stockpile. Having spare clothing is essential for maintaining your comfort and protection in varying weather conditions. Be sure you put several pairs of socks in the stockpile. You definitely want to make sure your feet are always dry.
Well, do you agree? Do you disagree? Would you add more to this? As preppers, we probably all would add more to this, but do you agree that these 10 items are items that you definitely need to have no matter what on hand, or are they some of them less important than other things that you could stock instead? Regardless of what you think, I want to hear from you. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.